Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk about this 3-in-1 charger that I bought. It's for my new iPhone 15 and my new Apple Watch 9. It can also charge my AirPods here on the bottom. What I love about this is that it only takes one charger. As you can see, I've got 3 different devices I'm trying to charge, but only 2 plugs. Sometimes that's frustrating and I have to unplug one to be able to charge the other. With this device, I can put my phone here, my watch here, and my AirPods here, or another phone here, or another device that I may be needing to charge that has wireless charging. With this device, it's much easier to place your phone in landscape mode, which now with the new iOS 17 can turn it into a nighttime clock. Also then a good place to put my watch, which also can be used as a clock, or just an easy way to mount the watch on a charger. What I've run into with other chargers like this is they want to put the watch behind the phone or in an awkward position, which makes it hard to get the watch on there and it stay on there good. These have good magnetic surfaces for the phone to attach to and the watch. The bottom part is not magnetic. It comes with a 30-watt charging adapter that goes into the wall with USB-C a plug-in. What this does is eliminates 2 of those plugs and makes it all in one, and is great for a nightstand or charging station on your desk. I highly recommend this and love it so far, and I find it very convenient for the things that I need with my Apple products or other products, not just Apple. If you like this, go ahead and click the description down below. Click on the link, it'll take you to Amazon to buy one.